On this e-learning, we're going to show you how to do connections to the cloud server with WISE option. This learning, we're going to cover how to do the connection for Windows machines. We are assuming Windows 10 plus, so you can do the connections for Windows. On your Windows dashboard on the bottom, you're going to find this little magnifier, and when you click on the little magnifier, a search text box, type remote, and the very first suggestion is going to be the remote desktop connection. As soon as you click on that remote desktop connection, the desktop app, something like this is going to pop up on your screen. The computer name is going to be provided by one of the WISE option technicians, so we're going to have to provide this information to you. And after you enter the computer name, your cloud server name with us, you click on the Show Options to Advanced Settings. The first thing we're going to change is on the display. It's recommended that you do large, and it depends on your preference. If you want to use dual monitors, if you have 2-3 monitors, you can check this box to set multiple monitors. The next thing we're going to do, it's in the local sources tab. I'm going to ask you to click on the More button that pops up the local devices and resources. I will ask you to check all those check boxes for ports, drives, and others, support plug and play devices, because this is what's going to allow you to see your local computer while you are connected to the server. In other words, you can, with these options checked, you can transfer files from your computers to the cloud server and vice versa. You can do the same from your cloud server back to your local computer. Then you're going to go back to the general settings, put your username. If you use the button to save as, all these settings are going to be saved in your desktop, so you don't have to do this every time you connect. After saving, just hit connect, and you'll be taken, if all the information is correct, you'll be prompted for a password, and you will be prompted to access the cloud server. So today, you've learned how to do cloud server connections with WISE option. Thanks for watching.